Hi, this is the video right after my first session of Professional Scrum Master and Professional Scrum Product Owner training, and this was a 4-hour session. And you can see I'm not bored, right? Like some of the trainings, these kind of trainings are generally bored, but this was the training led by Mr. Sandeep Chaudhary and Mr. Chirantan Mukherjee, and they are industry experts carrying 18 plus years of experience in Agile, BA, PM, and as a product owner. I'm really privileged to get trained by them because they have made us understood the concept very well, went into detail and answered all our questions. They were not in hurry to complete the syllabus. One of the key things they did is to amalgamate the theory knowledge with the practical knowledge. It was not just the theoretical concepts they taught us just to pass on the examination or the certification that we are aiming for, but they helped us understood the industry concept of what happens practically in agile world, what the scrum master does, who is the product owner, what the roles and responsibilities are. And it was just a first session, and we have understood so many things. I'm really looking for more sessions, basically a sprint, right? So it's a 2 weekend session, so basically it's a sprint for us. So amazing job, Sandeep and Chirantan. I'm really looking forward for this training. Thank you so much, and thank you for all the efforts you have put in to create the material, to have all the material organized in the Trello board for us. So thank you so much. I'm sure it would be helpful for us and in our career growth. Thank you guys. Cheers. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Loknath Kishore Sana. I'm attending this boot camp where it is a ACP and then PSM, PSPO, and then finally PMI ACP. It's really quite unique in the market where you just won't get the theoretical aspects of it, but it's most likely like a real-time scenario based. Yeah, and also you can get a lot of information or the templates and all from the day one, or in fact from the first session if you are in a SM or a PO role. And then it's been organized in such a way like it's very interactive, and then team bonding exercises will be there, and then it's a lot of fun to be honest. And I can already see the light at the end of the tunnel, and thanks to the very selfless mentors, I can say, like it's a Chirantan and Sandeep, and then I'm really looking forward for more guys. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.
Sandeep. I mean, trust me, guys, the 4 hour session that I had yesterday with Chirantan and Sandeep, definitely brainstorming. I'm telling you, no one would ever give you those live industry examples what Chirantan and Sandeep would be sharing. I mean, any other forum might give you those material to study and all, but rather than giving those materials and study, especially the videos what Chirantan and Sandeep has gathered together, and that live examples, seriously amazing. I mean, in that you actually feel like you're working in an agile environment, right? Seriously.
Exactly. That is the whole point of conducting this training in a way, Puneet, that you get the real hands-on experience and feel like an agile practitioner. And that
Yes,
would
Sandeep,
give you
indeed.
the confidence to sit in front of the interviewer and say, yes, boss, I not only know the agile, but I know how it works, and I've used it as well in my different workshops, which I've had. And also that will give you a confidence to go and write these certification exams.
Absolutely.
Plus, we also try to work on the mindset of people. Like, some people need a bit more pushing than the others. We all do, like we all are human beings. Me and Chirantan, we are as well. We've been there, and someone helped us as well in that moment. When you're not sure what to say and how to say it.
Right, Sandeep.
So you need that little bit of push, and that varies like person to person. So we're trying to we'll work on that as well at the same time while we are training for the agile and scrum, just to add on.
Definitely, Sandeep. Yes. I mean, a lot of confidence, which I have gathered with these sessions, because I'm totally, I have totally come with a zero knowledge into it. And within few sessions and few interactions, I'm now at least getting a hold of it, like who is a scrum master, who's a product owner, how the agile practices in the industry are carrying on. So this is really nice. There are a lot of things that I really want to put it across, and yes, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Sandeep and Jonathan. Yeah.
So you're welcome, Puneet. And just to add on, Puneet, when we do these rooms, when we put you in a room and we give you these quizzes, so these
Right.
are the type of discussion which stakeholders normally have, So you see the world from their eyes. They have a problem, and stakeholders will have a different view. And sometimes, when they're in a room, they fight with each other. They don't agree, or they say, okay, you know what? I think, from my understanding, this is what I believe in. So you can see, what goes in a stakeholder's mind as well, just by doing these discussions. So we kind of like enabling you, it's like slowly to that real world of working agile.
Right, Sandeep.
Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much for your lovely feedback.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah, I just wanted to tell everyone that I'm attending a agile course which is being mentored by Chirantan sir and Sandeep. That is one of the amazing workshop which I have been attending. So if people are looking out for something into Scrum or Agile or something like that, so please join that course. That is very, very, very useful, and a point where the organization tools which are used, product tools, you say whatever tools or templates which is used in an organization is provided by Chirantan sir and Sandeep as well. So I would request, this is a request, tell as information given to you, anything which I am giving you. That would be a great opportunity. I have not missed it. You people have missed it.
Thank
you so much.
Right. So I think I would like to personally thank you and Sandeep both for having such a dedicated and such a focused workshop. I wouldn't call it a training. This is a workshop, I would say. And I think at least from my perspective, I have learned a lot. Each one has been a great contributor, I would say. And especially you have guided and taken the session to a fantastic end. So let's keep friendship aside for a second. The learning that I've got from here, I think, is remarkable, and I shall always cherish this particular journey and the learning from it. And I'm really looking forward to clearing the exam with your guidance. And thank you very, very much to Sandeep also for being able to organize such a wonderful platform for all of us to be able to learn so much. And the information that you have given us is absolutely awesome. I think in the next 1 month also, we'll not be able to finish all the information that you've given. So thank you very much, and pleasure meeting both of you over here. And nice talking to everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amit.
Thank you.
One thing
all.
before
I
you
think
go,
we don't need to
Amit.
add anything. Amit.
Hi everyone, I've been asked to give a feedback regards to the Scrum Master Agile course that I'm doing this term. I want to start by saying thank you to Chirantan and Sandeep. Special thank you to Sandeep for forcing me and saying, no, you need to join, you have no choice on that. And I think I done the best thing, and it's amazing. A lot of light opening, I can't believe it. It is something that I should have learned long time back, but then, it's never late to be ready to study anytime. I am honored and thankful that I met so many amazing and intellectual professionals who are great communicators, as well as great to be proactive people, like-minded people. Thank you, Chirantan, the way you have provided us the course and the materials. We are very honored. It is highly privileged that I have joined you guys, and it's the best thing I could do today. This weekends, I'm utilizing the time amazingly, as well as you have made this course. It's spectacularly great and step by step, so people can learn in faster and a simple way. It was amazingly interactive. Thank you again, guys, and I'm ready for my second day. I can't wait. I'm really, really too excited to join. I don't know what am I going to be after 4 days of this sessions, but it's a lot of learning, a lot of eye-opening, and great. Looking forward for it today as well. Thank you.